Hello my friends, welcome to day 6 of Get Your Summer Body in less than 20 minutes. My name is Paola. Welcome to Yoga After 40, a channel where we embrace aging because you're never too old and it's never too late for you to start your yoga journey. And that's why in this 30-day challenge, we're gonna tone our bodies. We're gonna tone the shoulders, the arms, the legs, the glutes. So by the time you're through with this challenge, you're gonna regain confidence. So if you're ready, let's begin. We're gonna start today in one of my favorite poses, an amazing pose that is gonna help you target the glutes and the arms, as well as the legs. So reverse tabletop. So for your reverse tabletop, make sure that you spread the toes, spread the fingers, roll the shoulders back. We're gonna send the hips all the way up, so press through the heels. Keep the straight back in here, slightly engage your glutes. Keep your inner thighs together. And we're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now come all the way down. Coming into your bow pose, so bring the knees to the chest, give yourself a hug. You're sitting high on your sit bones, keep it straight back, sweep the arms forward or take your hands to the mat, roll the shoulders back, and then start lifting up the legs. So wherever you are, make sure that you keep it straight back. Core engaged. We're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees, come back into your reverse tabletop, send the hips all the way up. And we're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. Bow pose, knee to chest. Start straightening the legs. Sweep the arms forward or hands to the mat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees. Hands to the mat, feet shoulders distance apart, roll the shoulders back, straight back, engage your inner thighs, engage your glutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your feet a little closer together, take your right leg up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee. Left leg on top. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee. We're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. Knees to chest. Come back into your bow pose. And from here, we're gonna go into a canoe. We're gonna count to 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knees to the chest and give yourself a hug. Great job, guys. From here, we're gonna transition onto their side. So make sure that you spread the fingers, lift the hips, coming to your knees. And we're gonna take now the hips back to the mat, and we're gonna come up. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Make sure that your leg on the mat is facing out. We're gonna lift through the hips, use your core, and we're gonna start at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming to a tabletop. From our tabletop, we're gonna spread the fingers, knees or shoulders distance apart. Engage the shoulders. Keep your straight back. Keep your core engaged. Now bring your knees a little closer together. Sweep your right leg up. When you sweep your right leg up, make sure that you slightly engage the glutes. And we're gonna pulse. So stand. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now round the spine, bring the knee to chest. Engage your core. Press the mat away. And now keep your right leg back, bend the knee, flex your foot. We're gonna do this 10 times. So 1, 2, look up. 3, round the spine, press the mat away. 4, 5, slightly engage your glutes when you go up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Good job, guys. Are your glutes on fire? Mine are. So now we bring the knees a little closer together and we take the left leg up. Point or flex your toes. Slightly engage your glutes, your inner thighs. And we're gonna pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee. We're gonna round the spine. We're gonna take the knee to chest or knee to nose. Press the mat away. And we're gonna kick it back. So 1, 2, look up. 3, synchronize the movement. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're gonna pulse in here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knee down. Beautiful job, guys. From here, we're gonna tuck our toes and we're gonna come into our downward facing dog. Spread the toes, spread the fingers and the hips all the way back and up. Shoulders away from the ears. Keep it straight back. And we reconnect to our breath. So now bring your feet a little closer together. Inhale, sweep your right leg all the way up. Come high on the left toes. Bring the right knee to nose. Transfer the weight forward. So we're stacking the shoulders over the wrist. Rounding the spine. Core is engaged. Step your right foot in between your hands, coming into your runner's lunge. So we're high on the back toes, and we're gonna start rocking back and forth. So when you come back, make sure that you flex your right toes, that way you're stretching your right hamstring. You're back on the back heel. Now we bend the knee. Our front heel is flat on the mat. We're high on the back toes, and we start rocking back and forth. We're gonna do 10 of this, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring the front heel back to the mat, pressing at the waist, step your right leg back, coming back into a high plank, shift the weight forward, we're stacking the shoulders over the wrist, and we're high on the toes, keeping it straight back, core is engaged. Come back into your downward facing dog. Now bring your feet a little closer together, inhale, sweep your left leg all the way up to the sky, high on the right toes, left knee to nose or knee to chest. Shift the weight forward, stack the shoulders over the wrist, round the spine. Hold it here. Step it in between your hands, framing the left leg, high on the back toes. Now we come flat on the back heel. We have the front heel up on the mat, so our toes are facing the sky. Front leg is straight. Now we bend the knee. We're high on the back toes. And we're gonna do this 10 times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we step the left leg back, come back into a high plank, hold it in here, straight back. Come back into your downward facing dog. Reconnect to your breath and be ready for the next one. So feel strong in here. Feel empowered. Feel confident. We're toning the whole body, all the way from the arms, the glutes, the back, the shoulders, the legs. Now bring your feet a little closer together. Inhale, take your right leg all the way back to the sky. High on the left toes. Bring the right knee to nose. Shift the weight forward. Step your right foot in between your hands. Coming into your runner's lunge. And from here, we're gonna press the mat away and we're gonna start jumping back. So we're gonna bring the left leg forward, right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. So right, left, 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 right, left. And now take your left leg back, come back into a high plank. Keep that core engaged. How does that feel, guys? Are we sweating here? Now come back into your downward facing dog. Bring the knees to the mat, coming into your happy baby. Either knees together or knees mat width apart. Melting the chest towards the mat. Take a moment to reconnect to your intention. Whether that intention is to get stronger, to be more flexible, to lose weight. Understanding that everything and anything is possible. You just gotta work really hard for it. You have to have an unstoppable mind. Remember that you're beautiful the way you are. You're strong, you're fearless, you're brave, you're worthy, you are enough, and you're unstuck. So we're gonna come flat on the mat. We're gonna bring the knees to the chest. Give yourself a hug. Rock side to side. Coming into your happy baby. Rock side to side. Rubbing the outside of your feet. Rocking side to side. Relaxing the shoulders on the mat. Maybe using the strength of the arms to pull the knees a little closer to the chest. Opening the hips, stretching the groins, the inner thighs. Now bring the sole of the feet together for your reclined butterfly. Make sure that your knees are facing out and your elbows are hugging the ribcage. Now place your left foot on the mat and bring the left foot to the crease of the right arm and the right knee to the crease of the right arm. Hugging the right knee closer to the chest. Flex your right foot. Feel the stretch on your hips, on your hamstrings. Now let go of the right leg and then bring the left leg in. Foot to the crease of the right arm. Knee to the crease of the left arm. Holding that leg like if you were holding a baby. Flex the foot. Maybe bring the foot a little closer to the chest. Left knee is facing out. Shoulders are flat on the mat. You don't want to be up here. So you want to keep the shoulders closer to the mat, even if that means just rubbing the foot. So with your hand instead of taking it to the arm. And then slowly we release the left leg. And we're gonna bring the knees to the chest, giving ourselves a hug, rounding the spine, taking the forehead towards the knees. Taking the arms by the side and coming to your final Savasana. Roll the shoulders back. Let the armpits breathe. Feet mat distance apart. Windshield your feet. In and out. Relaxing the face, the shoulders, the arms, the neck, the glutes, the back, the legs, the feet. Relaxing the whole body here. Taking a moment to disconnect from the outside world. Taking this moment for yourself. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's class and I hope you are liking and you're enjoying this amazing challenge that is going to help you get that summer body. It's going to help you tone, it's going to help you lose weight. And if you feel like you're getting any benefits from this challenge, please go ahead and share with somebody who might need it, like and subscribe. You also have the option to get some super thanks, and that way you'll be honestly blessing my life and helping the channel. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.